Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is for the year 2021. I will be covering entire year for the zodiac sign Aries. What is going to happen in your year? What is going to be your challenge? How you going to face it? What is your divine guidance? Everything will be covered in this reading for 2021. I am a clairvoyant, I am a clairaudience, so I am going to channel the messages from divine to you Aries. And yes, definitely you should watch your sun and moon sign so that you get a complete insight about your entire year. What is going to happen, and definitely major events of your year, and the divine is going to guide you with everything. So I'm going to channel those messages to you. Let's get on to your reading. So the Aries in 2021, the substance I'm getting, so something like the needs and wants of you from someone or from life are going to get some base, is going to set some base for you. So people who are not understanding where life is going, some sort of base will be visible to you, that this is the base where I have to build the entire castle or the building on. That sort of energy is around. Your work is over somewhere, so maybe some people will switch their jobs and their business. Some work, career is over. You will be switching that and you starting something new, or new offers would be there to you to start your jobs or something like that. Be aware of your situations and use them for your benefits. So open your eyes, Aries. Keep watching, look around. Maybe new opportunities are around you. Apply for jobs. I'm seeing that new applications will be accepted soon, and you will be one of those getting jobs. But be on time, don't be late, is the thing. That open up and be charged to see what is happening around you. Don't be late. And I feel that towards the end of the year, you will get some surprises. You will get some rewards of basically whatever efforts you have put in certain areas of life where you are looking for rewards. Those rewards will be given to you. Your matter is, again I'm getting the same thing, that some matter will get some shape, some sort of shape which you are looking for. Some foundation will be built. If you are cursing someone badly, this is a specific message for a specific person. Please stop that. It's going to harm you or backfire you. This is a very deep, dark, spiritual message I'm getting with some ancestor of someone, that if you're cursing someone, please stop that. It's going to be really harmful or backfiring for you. Some of you are blocked, but you're blocked yourself. Nobody has blocked you. So maybe you've blocked your own thought patterns, or you've sabotaged yourself. Open up, talk to people, talk to the world, and know the better things around you. So some people are just not talking to someone. Some people are just closed. They have shut down their entire social life. So go out, move. Maybe because of this entire year, you have got used to being alone. But then it's time to move out and at least socialize or meet people or understand the new world around. Okay, Aries, I'm getting that new starts and some foundations would be there definitely for you. Let's see what is the tarot is saying you for the month, for the entire year of 2021. So I'm going to pull out cards for you now. A lot of things will be manifested this year, as I'm seeing. So let's start with the challenges. What challenges you will face, you will have in your year 2021. The foundation is going to be strong, and I think the foundation is your struggle or is your challenge. This is my intuition. Let's see with cards, we will see everything. Then I want to see what luck is favoring you. What sort of luck is going to favor you? Because for everything, Aries, we have to have luck. Luck is very important. What is the major event which is going to happen in 2021 for you? Some of you will have a partition. That means some people will part ways and move in different directions. It is just for some. because the energy for Aries, I feel, is mixed, with most of you having the foundation thing. And what is the divine guidance for you for the month of, sorry, why am I saying month again? Because I feel it's monthly. No, it's for the year 2021. What is the divine message? Keep going, don't stop. Okay, let's see for your, okay, so the challenge is basically what is happening with some of you in 2021. You have come to a standstill. You have come to a stuck in a mud type of a situation where nothing is moving, and you're feeling, why even I'm here? Some of you are feeling that, why even I'm here? I'm not even understanding why this situation has come in my life. Why? Because it was a karmic situation where you have actually landed. I'm getting very weird feelings of you are asking yourself, I mean, why did I do that? Or why I'm stuck, basically. I'm not understanding why I'm stuck. Then there will be a shift. There will be a shift, and you will actually become a bit practical. Maybe practicality was missing. You were thinking, most of you were thinking about your coins, about your financial growth, and you felt that you're growing good, but then you were stuck. So maybe it is for those people. I kind of got that message that your job is good, everything is good, but you need promotion, you need new job, new money, more money. Then you will move forward. Some of you, I feel, were in jobs. You will be moving in your business. So you want to make more money, you want to prove yourself in different ways, and you want business. The energy which I am getting is stuck situations, but you will not move slowly. You will just move. It will be like a absolute jump, and it's going to be carefree. You basically were stuck with some sort of situation which looked fancy, and you couldn't see beyond that. But then something will happen, some thought, some change of energy, and you will just have a lot of trust in divine, trust in yourself, trust in your life, and you will just move forward. The challenge is, you will still feel inside you that what is happening. You know why? Because you have a Fool card. So Fool card is, you will move forward happily, trusting the world, trusting the process. But internally, you will be questioning yourself that what's happening. But you will not stop this move. So maybe you have kept yourself stuck knowingly, intentionally, or forced stuck in certain situations. Now the divine has interfered, and they are going to make you move. It's going to be a push which you will not be able to stop, and you will move. And when you will move, instantly you will feel powerful. You lost your power in your waiting zone because it's King of Swords. So you will feel powerful, you will feel empowered with some sort of energy to face the world. I'm getting that some of you were afraid of facing someone, talking to someone, or maybe just facing the truth. Maybe in the pandemic, I'm really feeling sorry to say that you lost someone and you just sabotaged yourself. And then this energy is going to make you move forward and face the life and move forward in the world. Also, I feel that some of you were just satisfied with whatever you had. But then some shift will make you move to a higher position, and suddenly you will feel, now I'm getting that high in my life which was missing. Maybe I was not even recognizing that I was not passionate for my life. Because Aries, you are a fire sign. You need that passion all around you. So the challenge which I feel is, this movement is ununderstood by you. You will be questioning a lot to yourself what is happening. Certain events, certain offers which you were just not thinking will come. Position will be given to you, and you will be asked to work in an authoritative position, and you will be like, what is happening? But in the meantime, you will feel this is what you wanted. This is what you were actually divinely guided to move. towards, because you want that energy and that passion back in your life, which is so interesting. Also, let's check what is your luck saying. Okay, so in your luck, I feel that you actually, some of you were too satisfied or not even trying to look how much you can achieve. It's like, I'm getting certain amount, I'm okay with, I have this, I'm okay with. You kind of got okay with everything and you thought the life is balanced, but internally you were waiting. Maybe that waiting zone was too much, that you actually entered in self-sabotage zone, which is unknown to you. And then the introspection thing will start, because you will be forced to move in certain direction. And you will be like, I was waiting, and now I'm in this situation, what to do and how is this happening? I didn't plan it, but subconsciously you were planning it. That's why destiny or divine interferes. When you want something, you plan it in your subconscious and universe brings the action, because your luck is temperance. So it is giving you balance. It is going to show you a new path, and you will move on to it, because internally you were waiting to get this kind of a high or a kick in your life. Basically, that's what I'm feeling. The kick was missing in your life. You were just going with whatever you had, whatever is offered, whatever money you had. But now the situation is going to start in a different way. Especially if you were waiting, maybe some of you were waiting to increase your money for a while and then you got okay with that. You will be given a thought that why you're okay. Have you given up on your situations in your life? You are not supposed to be okay. So you are supposed to be in balance. But you just cannot be stuck in that balance. You have to keep on moving. The energies get stuck and you are stuck. So I feel that you will be thinking about this movement, but you will move, which is fantastic. It's a little different sort of a reading. It's a very, because I'm feeling all those energies, so I can guide you on that. I will come back to it more to understand. Let's see that what exactly the events which are going to happen in your life. Wow. So the partition thing which I actually thought would be, maybe you got okay with your relationship. You were like, whatever is going on is just okay. This is life. This is how it is. This is how it should be. You got married, you got kids, it's okay. This is it. And you don't know, subconsciously, you basically compromised. You compromised and you are like, that's okay. That's how, this is what my life is. And suddenly the divine says, no, I'm serving you, I'm giving you what you want. You were waiting, let me give it to you. And there is a shift. And you automatically get a chance to get separated with this person. Some of you, I feel there will be a divorce, there will be a separation, but that won't be hurtful to you. And you will be surprised by seeing that this I actually wanted but didn't actually take any effort. Maybe subconsciously I was thinking continuously, but I kind of surrendered to this situation, but now this is happening on its own. So this entire shift is ununderstood by you, but understood by divine, because we are connected by with divine spiritually. So spiritually you wanted justice. This justice is going to be served to you by this separation, because justice is with judgment. So this confused energy of relationship, this unknown, unintentionally, kind of just being with this person, you don't know why you're with this person, you don't know why this relationship is there, but you were still okay with that because you compromised. You kind of forgot to put your foot forward or take some efforts to get out of it. Rather, you thought it is okay. Divine is saying no, fight for yourself. And actually, you will get opportunity to get free from this person. And your soul will be happy with that, because your soul wants justice. So I feel, because the first card with this which I'm getting is the High Priestess. you will be getting some downloads yourself. It's very strange to say, but you will get suddenly intuitive. Suddenly some dreams, some kind of knock situations will be there. Nightmares could be alarming situations where your soul will want liberation and want justice from this situation, and divine is going to bring that suddenly. It will be just sudden. So that preparation is a challenge, because you will move, but you will also question what is happening and how is this happening, and maybe some of you will be initially will feel scared or uneasy, but after a while you will feel, this is what I wanted, this is my power, I have become free, I have become what I wanted to be. So I'm sure, Aries, this year is absolutely going to be a gift for you, the reward, because you actually gave up. You gave up and you sat and you thought it's okay. But no, your spirit guides, your ancestors, your guardians are always looking to give you some sort of wish fulfillment things. But there's a divine timing for it. And this reading is actually reminding me of divine timing. Let's see what divine has to say. This is very connecting, like it's completely connected, because divine is saying that you lost strength. That's why you gave up. So maybe initially you tried, you thought, but something, maybe this person which was with you, which is still with you, is powerful. Or maybe it was your karma between you two, which you have to deal with. But whatever is said and done, you will suddenly become powerful and you will start giving back. And this person will not be able to stop you, because you're getting strength card with 5 of swords and 9 of swords. So yes, you will be feeling like this much mentally stressed, because you have to move. You have to move and you have to think now forcefully. Somehow I feel for most of you, you kind of told yourself that whatever you want is not going to happen, so just stop thinking about it. But now divine is going to give you strength to think about this kind of attitude of this person, and you don't want to live with this person, live with this situation of your life, and you will get stressed about it. Divine is going to give you that push, that think and move away, I'm with you, take steps, because your divine timing is there. Either also I feel that you can meet someone who's going to give you this push, who's going to make you realize to wake up basically and take a call. And I feel that the situation could be between a Sagittarius or a Leo. This situation could be between a Virgo and Libra. The major cards which I'm seeing are between these zodiac signs. But definitely I feel you have now that power in this 2021. Some situations, events, people, support systems would be there with you, and you will move away. But that push is going to be really like a unknown energy coming to you, and you will suddenly feel what is happening. So I think this reading will guide you in that situation, that this is the push I'm talking about. And that 9 of Pentacles situation which you have in the first challenge, that you feel that everything is good, but subconsciously you have lost your strength, and that strength will be given by universe to you, so that you and your spirit gets happiness, gets everything, gets justice. And King of Swords also tells me that your energies will be back to you. This is all karmic between you two people, which is going to end, because you thought it's never going to end. It's never ever going to be in your favor. Whatever you want, it is maybe for some of you this reading might relate, not for everyone, but this is going to happen. and you will be winning in this situation. Only challenge you have to face is you have to move according to divine, according to the situations now, which is going to be a little tricky for you. I hope this reading helps you understand the entire situation, and I really want that divine is helping you. You should take steps and move forward, and you will be happy because you will feel powerful, back in your form, back in you. You will be you. Maybe some of you were just not you. You will be awakened. Your awakening is there. Divine timing is there. This year is going to be a turning point in most of your lives. And do message me, do comment me in the comment section that this has happened with you, basically in which month and how this happened with you, because it is so much actually it's too much happening with you from past, Aries. So I feel now it's the time to move on and go away from that situation of stuck limbo, and you will be relaxed. You will be really relaxed. You will be back in you. Your energies will be back, and I feel that you will feel related with your life. Maybe you lost connection with your life, yourself. Such a beautiful feeling to be back in you. I hope this helps you and you like my reading. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel so that you get all the readings and all the notifications, and I will be coming up with monthly readings as well. And you do watch, please, sun and moon sign, so that you get absolute insight about what is going to happen, and you can take the best decisions of your life. And definitely this guidance is going to be with you. Divine is with you. Thank you. Bye.